Understanding punctuation marks, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Our focus in this video is on punctuation marks, those little symbols that play a huge role in how we read and understand written English. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, understanding these marks is crucial. Let's get started. Punctuation marks are symbols that help us organize and clarify our writing. They guide readers through sentences, indicating pauses, stops, expressions, and the structure of our thoughts. Imagine them as traffic signs in the world of writing, directing the flow of words and ideas. In this section, we'll explore some of the most common and important punctuation marks in English. Period. The period is used to end a sentence. It signals a full stop. For example, I enjoy reading, comma. The comma indicates a short pause within a sentence. It can separate items in a list, or parts of a sentence. For example, I bought apples, bananas, and oranges. Question mark. Used at the end of a sentence to indicate a question. For example, what is your name? Exclamation mark. This mark expresses strong emotion or surprise. For example, wow, that's amazing, colon, smiley face. The colon introduces a list, a quote, or an explanation. For example, I need 3 things: a pen, a notebook, and a dictionary. Semicolon, winking face. The semicolon links closely related sentences or separates items in a complex list. For example, I like tea, my friend prefers coffee. Apostrophe, used for contractions or to show possession. For example, it's a nice day, contraction of, it is. Sarah's book, shows that the book belongs to Sarah. Quotation marks, used to indicate spoken words or a quote from another source. For example, she said, hello. Correct punctuation is essential for clear communication. Misplaced or incorrect punctuation can change the meaning of a sentence, leading to confusion or misunderstandings. It also reflects your command of the language, which is important in academic and professional settings. Thank you for joining me in exploring punctuation marks in the English language. Remember, mastering these symbols can greatly improve your writing and communication skills. Keep practicing, and you'll see the difference it makes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning!